Hello there, it's Olia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this login form or to create a login page. So this is a login form, the one I've created. Put here an image and I typed there welcome to the website. I did put here a social media icon. So let's do this. So I'll click here, then I'll come here to all pages. Wait, then I'm going to click add new, then I'll type here login page. Okay, then I will publish it. I'll click again on publish. Now once we have created that, then we will go back to plugins, then we click on install plugin. So the plugin we want to install is called HD Mega. So I'll click here, add new, and then I'm going to type here HT. This is the plugin. Okay, this is the plugin you are going to install, but I've already installed it. So let's begin creating the form. So I'll come here back to pages, all pages, and then I'm going to look for my page, which is login page. So I'll click on edit. Then from edit, now we will edit with Elementor. So click here, we wait Elementor to load. Now it has loaded. So from here we are going to click on this plus icon, click here, and then I'm going to select this to structure. Now on this other part I'm going to put an image here. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and then we will bring heading like so, and then we will type here welcome to the website like so. And then once we have done that, we need to put an image. So I'm going to click here, and then I'll grab an image element like so. Then I'm going to select my image, click here, and then the image I'm going to select is this one. So I will insert it like that. Then from here I'm going to click on this part, edit the column, and then I'll come here to vertical alignment. First I need to put it in the middle like that, and I'll go here to style, click on style, and then I'll click on border. From border I'll click on box shadow like that, and then we are done with that part. And now we need to create our form here. So we will click here, and then we'll type here login form. It is this one, user login form. So we will drag it here like this. So as you can see the way it is, this is a different fashion, but we have a lot of fashions here. So you can see we have fashion 2, this is how it looks, and then we have fashion 3, this is how it looks. In fact, let me first put a gradient in the background so that you'll be visible very well. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll click here, and then I'll come here to style. From style I'll click here on gradient, and then the first color I'm going to bring is this one like so, and then the second one I need to bring something, let's say there is okay, that one is okay. So you can see this fashion is different. So let's click here, that is fashion 3. Let's check 4, that's how 4 looks like. And then let's check another one, 5, that's how 5 is. 6, that's how 6 is. So here we are going to use fashion 4 like this. And then again I'm going to change my color, the background color. So I'm going to click here, instead of this black, let's do something. Let's say we are going to use that, or let's bring it here. No, let's just use this one. Let's use that one, and then I'm going to click this one like so. Now this is how it looks. Then here I'm going to put another background on this form. So I'm going to click here, then I'll come here to style, then the background type, I'm going to select this color, click here, and then I'm going to select this color like so, right? So you can see now how it looks. Okay, then once we have done this, we will click back on this, and then I'm going back to content. From the content, we need to set the label like that, and then also redirect the page login. We click like that. Then once we have done this, I'm going to click here on style. From the style, I'll come here to label. I need the color to be white like so. This one now is looking good. And then here on top of this one, I'm going to click here, and then I'll bring an icon, image, not an icon, image box. So we'll bring this image box here on top like so, and then I'm going to select my image. So this is the image I'm going to select. I will insert it like that, and then I'm going to delete this. I'm also going to delete all of this, and then I can see my image is looking very big. I don't need it big, so I'm going to click here on style, and then I'm going to reduce it. Let's say 20 will do. Like that is okay. Now from here, I need to center this text, so I'll click here, and then I'll click here to center the text. Then here on bottom, we need to put our social media icon, so I'll click on this rubies icon, and then I'll type here social, and then I'm going to drag this one down here like this. As you can see, the way it is holding their uniform colors, but here the way I want it to be, I want to have this color, and then the inside part will be white. Okay, so that means we need to go back to our column. Then from the column, I'm going to change this one, and then I'm going to use maybe this like this. I think this way is okay. We'll use this one, and then this top one we will use maybe this one, and then I'm going to bring it down like this, and then I'm going to turn it until when it is at the end like that. No, it's not black. It's not supposed to be black. Why is it changing? It's not black. It's supposed to be here. Then we click here like this. Now let me show you what I was saying. So I'm going to click on this icon here, and then here I'll click on style. From style, and then colors, I'm going to select custom color, and then I'll say the primary color, I need it to be this one like that. And then once I've done so, I'm going to come back to content, and then here shape, I need to make it round like this. This is what I wanted. So guys, that comes to the end of the video, and if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. And if you have anything that you need me to create, or you have any doubt, just comment on the comment box, and then we will see what we can do. Peace.